A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the gut-brain symphony, unlocking wellness through nutrition. Ladies and gentlemen, the human body is a masterpiece of interconnected systems, yet few are as captivating and transformative as the gut-brain axis. This intricate communication network linking the gut and the brain has emerged as a powerful determinant of physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. Recent research reveals that the gut microbiota, the community of trillions of microorganisms inhabiting the digestive tract, plays a pivotal role in this dialogue. It is now clear that the food consumed daily influences not only digestion but also brain function, mood, and immunity, making diet and lifestyle a cornerstone of overall health. The gut microbiota comprises over 1,000 species of bacteria and an estimated 38 trillion microorganisms, outnumbering human cells in the body. These microbes are far from passive. They actively produce vitamins, support digestion, and synthesize neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, which regulate mood, sleep, and cognition. Remarkably, around 70% of the immune system and 90% of serotonin production are rooted in the gut, emphasizing its role as a critical regulator of both body and mind. Let us examine the gut connection, which influences physical and mental health. Gut health directly influences physical and mental well-being. Dysbiosis, or an imbalance in gut microbiota, has been linked to inflammatory diseases such as arthritis, cardiovascular disorders, and irritable bowel syndrome. It also disrupts the immune system, increasing vulnerability to infections and chronic illnesses. On the mental health front, individuals with depression and anxiety frequently show distinct microbial imbalances. Emerging research highlights how gut health affects cognitive function. For instance, short-chain fatty acids produced when gut microbes digest fiber play a critical role in reducing neuroinflammation, maintaining the blood-brain barrier, and supporting neural health. These mechanisms are increasingly recognized as protective factors in conditions like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. The foundation of microbial diversity depends on diet and lifestyle. A balanced diet and lifestyle form the bedrock of gut and brain health. The key components include: first, adequate protein. Proteins are broken down into amino acids, some of which are precursors for neurotransmitters like serotonin. Second, antioxidants and fiber found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and fuel beneficial microbes. Third, healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids from sources like fatty fish and nuts support brain and gut integrity. Fourth is hydration. Proper hydration is essential for digestive health, as water helps break down food, supports the smooth functioning of the gut lining, and fosters an environment conducive to microbial activity. Dehydration can impair digestion and microbial balance, underscoring the importance of maintaining adequate fluid intake daily. Beyond diet, regular physical activity enhances microbial diversity and reduces stress-related inflammation. Sunlight exposure, essential for vitamin D synthesis, influences the microbiota and the immune function. Aligning the body's circadian rhythm through consistent sleep-wake cycles also supports gut and brain health, as microbiota have their own circadian patterns that synchronize with the host's circadian rhythm pattern. There are factors that disrupt gut microbiota. Let's take a look. Several factors can disturb the delicate microbial balance, including: 1. Processed foods. Diets high in sugars, artificial additives, and trans fats encourage harmful bacteria. Second, antibiotic overuse. While life-saving, antibiotics indiscriminately kill beneficial gut bacteria. Third, chronic stress elevates gut inflammation and disrupts microbial composition. Fourth, sleep deprivation misaligns circadian rhythms, affecting digestion and microbiota. There are practical steps for wellness. Let's take a look. To harness the benefits of the gut-brain axis, a holistic approach is essential. First, adopt a balanced diet. Incorporate a variety of whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich vegetables. Second, include fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi provide probiotics to replenish gut microbes. Third, stay physically active. Aim for regular exercise to enhance microbial diversity. Fourth, get sunshine daily. Sun exposure improves gut health via vitamin D synthesis. Fifth, hydrate adequately. Consume enough water to ensure optimal digestion and microbial activity. Sixth, practice stress management. Mindfulness, yoga, or hobbies reduce gut related inflammation. Seventh, prioritize sleep. A consistent sleep schedule optimizes circadian rhythm and gut health. Let's look at the way forward. As science advances, personalized nutrition based on individual microbiota profiles is becoming a reality, targeting specific strains of neuroprotective bacteria holds promise for mental health therapies, while public health initiatives must emphasize the profound link between diet, lifestyle, and gut health. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, the gut brain axis is a groundbreaking revolution that redefines health, underscoring the interconnection between the body and mind. By nurturing gut health through informed dietary and lifestyle choices, individuals can prevent chronic illnesses, enhance mental clarity, and improve their quality of life. The phrase, "we are what we eat," transcends metaphor. Diet and lifestyle are the foundation of a balanced body and mind. Much like a well-tuned symphony, the gut and brain flourish when harmonized, offering a life enriched with vitality, resilience, and wellness. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.